Hello everyone, today start our the part 11 of DC machine. Okay, let's continue. Number 121, an external resistance added in the field of a DC shunt generator will A. decrease the voltage of the generator, B. increase the voltage of the generator, C. increase the power delivered, D. increase the speed of the generator. And the answer is that is A. decrease the voltage of the generator. Number 122, an ideal DC generator has a regulation of A 90%, B 70%, C 20%, D 0%. And the answer is that is D 0%. And regulation means the change in voltage from no load to full load. Okay, next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Incorrect in the DC shunt generator about hysteresis loss. A. It is independent of lamination thickness. B. It can be minimized by laminating the armature. C. It depends upon the supply frequency. And the answer is that is B. It can be minimized the laminating the armature because DC generator independent of thickness, lamination thickness, and it also depend upon supply frequency, and not hysteresis loss. It is eddy current loss can be minimized by the laminating the armature. Okay, next question. A properly designed DC generator can have an overall efficiency of A 60%, B 80%, C 95%, D 100%. And the answer is that is C 95%. And overall efficiency also known as commercial efficiency. And overall efficiency, the electrical power output to the mechanical power input is known as the overall efficiency. Okay, next question. In DC generator, the change in voltage when the load is reduced from rated value to 0 expressed as a percentage of rated load voltage is known as A. efficiency, B. regulation, C. armature reaction, D. loss factor. And the answer is that is B. regulation. And in short term of armature reaction, that means the reaction of the armature mmf on the main mmf is termed as armature reaction. And efficiency, you know that output by input. Okay, next question. In DC generator, the process remain in contact with conductors which A. lie under south pole, B. lie under north pole, C. lie under interpolar gap. And the answer is that is C. lie in the interpolar gap. And process is made of carbon because to reduce the wear and tear of the commutation. Okay, next question. When the shunt field of a compound generator is connected across both the series field and armature, such a connection is known as A. short shunt, B. long shunt, C. cumulative compound, D. differentially compound. And the right answer is that is long shunt or short shunt. In compound generator which only shunt field winding is in parallel with the armature winding, that is short shunt. And in long shunt in which short field winding in parallel with the both series field and armature winding, that is called long shunt. And cumulative compounding, compound generator consists of both series and shunt field winding where major portion is shunt field and minor is series field. If the flux produced due to the both winding is additive nature, then that is called cumulative DC generator. And if the both produced due to both winding is subtracting in nature, then that is called differential compounding. In this case, the right answer is long shunt. Okay, next question. Drop in speed of a DC generator due to increase in load can be compensated by A. cooling the armature, B. increasing the armature resistance, C. reducing the load voltage, D. increasing the input to the prime mover. And the answer is that is D. increasing the input to the prime mover. And next question. If a that is printing mistake. If a current carrying coil is placed in a uniform magnetic field direction of magnetic induction, then A. the net force and torque on the coil are both 0, B. the net force is 0 but the torque is finite, C. the net force is finite but torque is 0, D, the net force and torque both are finite. And the answer is A. That is A. That is A. That is A. The net force and the torque of the coil both are 0. Okay. The last question. Reluctance torque in rotating machine is present when A, air gap is not uniform, B, reluctance seen by stator mmf varies, and C, reluctance seen by rotor mmf varies, या फिर D, reluctance seen by the working mmf varies. And the right answer is that is reluctance, that is reluctance seen by the working mmf varies. Okay, thank you.